Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 11th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has categorized SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let us examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations with an increase of 3.83%. This results in an average return of 0.77% per day since its classification as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system expects significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot predict the ETF's next movement, as it may go in either direction. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now available at the ceiling of the broken trend, which is at $595.71. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $621.55 will serve as the next potential peak, acting as a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 7.39% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 2.22% to 6.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 26.34% over the next year, with potential returns between 16.54% and 28.04%. This translates to a price range between $697.76 and $766.61 after a year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for SPY ETF after gaining a fraction of a percent. The SPY ETF price increased by a fraction of a percent on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, rising from $598.24 to $598.72. It has now recorded gains for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by approximately 0.5%, with a day low of $597 and a day high of $600.17. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by over 3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 31 million shares exchanged, amounting to around $18 billion and $72 million. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $600.17, while the lowest price was $438.42. Currently, the price sits at 0.24%, or $1.45 below the 52-week high of $600.17, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, represented by SPY, has recently closed above significant milestones, continuing a robust post-election rally. The market momentum has been invigorated by expectations surrounding the incoming Trump administration and its potential economic policies. Notably, some analysts have raised their S&P 500 target to 7,000 for 2025, citing a risk of a market melt-up as investor confidence surges. This optimism reflects a broader market trend where the index recently achieved record highs and has closed above 6,000 for the first time. Simultaneously, small-cap stocks are outperforming the S&P 500, indicating a shift in investor sentiment that could influence market dynamics going forward. Investors are keenly focused on upcoming economic indicators, including consumer price index data, which may further shape the trajectory of the index. In the short term, the bullish sentiment surrounding SPY could lead to increased buying activity, driving prices higher. However, in the long term, factors such as economic policy and interest rates will play crucial roles in sustaining this momentum. If the anticipated growth and optimistic forecasts hold true, we could see SPY continue to climb, but it will be essential to monitor external economic factors that could introduce volatility. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected from the levels of $585.86 and $578.28. A breakdown below either of these levels will result in sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and to date it has risen by 10.79%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the exchange-traded fund should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, and these may impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 47 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 68 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 242 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 570.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.17 between its high and low, or 0.531%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.787%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $570.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $579.44, indicating a decrease of 3.22%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 46 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a worthwhile investment? While the SPY ETF exhibits several positive indicators, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate option while we wait for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by 9 cents and begin trading at $598.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.